was great experience for me.
What is your job profile on the ship?
I'm fifth engineer. Right. Means, you can say I'm an operational engineer. Operational engineers means we have got many machineries, navigation operations on board. So if while sailing or anytime, any point of time, there is some kind of fault in ship or there is some problem with sailing operation, then we have to solve it out on the spot.
Right.
So that is our job profile mainly basically. We have to solve any of the problems which are created on board.
And what is the highest designation in this profession?
This profession highest designation is a captain,
Right.
and as if I'm on engine side. In this profession, on board there are two sides. One is deck side and one is engine side. When we talk about engine side, its highest position is chief engineer. And when we talk about deck side, its highest position is captain. So at one point of time, captain and chief engineer are one in the same. But in this hierarchy, captain is considered to be more higher than chief engineer.
And in this job, along with the boys, even girls do it.
Yeah, of course, girls have got many opportunities for this field. Basically, I've seen many Russian girls who are sailing as a captain, chief engineer on board. But due to our traditional culture and everything in India,
Right.
I have not seen that much girl seafarers, because our culture is like that, our traditions is like that, because girls prefer this kind of hard job. But I would be very much happy if girls try to opt this thing, because nowadays girls are more better than boys. It's definitely been assured.
Okay.
So I would say Indian girls to just get out and go for this field.
And just now you said about the traditional life of India. About you, if you talk, how is the response from your family that you have to live for months away from them? How is the response?
Response was 1%, 2%. Definitely, it's definitely that family misses all of us. When we are away from our family, everyone misses us. But the thing is, when our family is proud and happy for what we are doing, then there is no anything like they are not happy with my job. So I would say my family has supported immensely throughout my career, and they've always wanted what I want to do.
Right.
They always like that, Dushan, we want to do this, you just jump for that. Dushan, you want to do that, you just jump for that. Don't ask us what you want to do, you just do that.
Right, so they are supporting your passion. fully.
Yeah, definitely.
So any special message you would like to give to particular to those who are parents?
Yeah, especially for Gujarati.
Right, yes, Gujarat.
Please put your son, daughters in defense in this field. Get them out of their home. Stop pushing them in business. This is what I would like to say to all the Gujarati parents, definitely. Because when I was in my training, I had just one guy who met Gujarati. During my sailing, there was none of the Gujarati guys. In my company, there is none of the Gujarati guys. So I would say, please, when I join on board, my captain asked me, how you are on board? You are Gujarati, you should be a businessman. That is not the thing.
Right.
We are also some kind of passionate person. We are also a hard-working person. We do work hard, but get out and do something different. That's what I say.
And in that way you will also get some company of Gujarati speaking.
Yeah, but I must say, when you join this field, you meet each and every person from every corner of the India. So that is something you like to enjoy every culture of the India.
And not only India, I think you sell around the countries, around the world.
Actually, on my ship, it was totally Indian crew.
Okay, fine.
But many ships has got Russian crew, Filipino crew, Chinese crew. So this is all what you are the representative of India in international countries. Think that way and join this profession.
So you get the opportunity to have conversation with multicultural people.
Yeah,
And,
multicultural.
and what about those the countries like you said, West Indies, Uruguay, and Brazil? I mean, you stay in that country for a few days and get a chance to converse with the local people.
Yeah, definitely. Brazil mainly speaks Portuguese. So that was one of my very interesting thing that I learned Portuguese during my visit to Brazil and Uruguay. Uruguay generally speaks Spanish. So this is what we interconnect each other. This is what Indian connects to other countries. This is what we represent India to other countries. This is what our people shows what India is to others.
Right. And I forgot one interesting question.
Yeah.
It is about food. How
Yeah.
about food on the board? What exactly you have there?
Look, I'm a vegetarian. I'm totally vegetarian.
Wow.
And my company, I had very much provision of vegetarian food on board.
Okay.
So that was never a problem for me. Maybe sometimes some shipping companies generally have Chinese crew for them. So there is something food problems. But definitely you will get a vegetarian food. But that is some compromises you have to make with the food style. Just what.
Okay. Anything else? At the end you like to say?
But
I mean, what? Okay, tell us what are your future plans?
future plans. I'm right now preparing for my promotion exams. Now I'm appearing for my 4th class exam. So I will be sending as a 4th engineer on board. So I'm just after for a few days I'm going Kolkata for this thing, and I will be appearing for my 4th exams over there.
So, it was really nice talking with you, Nishant, and we wish you
Yeah.
all the best on behalf of Speak Pindas and for everyone.
Yeah, sure. I'm very much thankful to you guys too. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.